Hi guys, welcome to Tech Videos. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to use dark mode for eye comfort and battery. This is super simple. All you have to go to your settings from your phone first, scroll down till you find display and brightness, click on this, and then you can see two options here, light and dark. If you put it on dark, your dark mode will be come up. Okay, now here you can see that it should be automatic or manual. If you send it automatic, then it will be dark until sunrise. You have to click on this. Sunset to sunrise should be dark. If you click on custom, it will be custom dark light. You can set the time when it should be dark and when it should be normal. So if you click on sunrise to sunset, and if you choose dark, it will be dark like this. If you can change the text size. Click on this and you can make it the text size like this, bigger or smaller, that's up to you. And here you'll find bold text. If you want to take bold your text, you have to click on this and your text will be bold like this. Okay, here you'll find brightness. Here the brightness you can make it like this, and true tone is turned off. If you make this true tone on, your brightness will automatically adjust it. Night shift should be is turned off. If you make it turn on, you have to schedule this one, less warm, more warm, or you have to schedule when should be it night shift should be turned on. Night shift automatically shifts that colors of your display the warmer end and the color spectrum after dark. This may help you to get a better night sleep. Okay, so you can change it the dark mode here. You manually enable until tomorrow. You can turn this on, or you can schedule turn this off. This one is the manual night shift mode. Okay, now you can less warm or more warm. We can do with this light, less warm or more warm. Alright, then you'll find here this rise to wake. If you turn this off, it will be turned off. Don't wake it. If you turn this on, that's mean if you single tap on your phone screen, it will rise up. Okay, display zoom, it is the display larger text or the default text. If you want larger text, then you can choose this one. If you want default, you can choose this one. Okay, so after that, if you are using OLED battery, OLED screen, then dark mode can save battery life. The darker pixels consume less power compared to brighter ones. Okay, limit background activity for save your battery. Go to consider turning off your background app refresh and location services for apps that don't need them. This can help your battery. So where you have to go to this settings from your phone, then you'll find here general, then you can see here background app refresh. Click on this and make sure turn this off to save the battery life. Okay, now you can see here tip for eye comfort. Regardless of mode, the regular breaks from your screen to reduce eye strain. If you want to make your eye good or make your eye safe from any bad disease, then you must stay away from screens. Okay, or you can use a sunglass, or you can use the blue light glass. And the last and final suggestion is avoid bright light. Use your phone is a dimly lit environment to enhance the benefits of dark mode. Okay, you can use a dark mode from your phone, and this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.